Good morning mga ka-DIY at ka-builders ng ating e-loading machine. So, ito po ay mayroon tayong bagong update from the Fox system. So, ito po is 41.1.0. So, latest 11 hours pa lang na i-upload. And then, yan, kailangan siyang i-reconfig siguro possible sa firmware yung ating ESP32. Ayan. And then, we have here the Fox pa rin na i-loading. Release pa rin nila, same EPK. So, and ano ba na bago? May mga video ads, custom theme, kung pwedeng baguhin. Then, ang maganda, Bluetooth natin ngayon is meron na tayong pwedeng either thermal, or TTL, or USB, naka-USB, no? So, para hindi ma-disconnect. So, auto zinc settings when online portal machine need to be connected to internet. So, ganun pa rin siya. Bulky apply settings when face change. So, kailangan talagang isa-isahin yan. Kung possible man na set na lahat, saka pa yan mag-change yung face. So, added 21 new e-cash provider like Palawan Pay and more. So, remote machines commands now easily accessed sa online portal. Okay, so yun yung maganda, no? So, pag malayo, nare-remote natin yung mga commands pa rin sa online. So, possible dun pa rin sa Messenger. Wallet checking before transaction. Yes, maganda. Ito yung maganda. Kasi, example, kumbaga lalabas sa portal I mean sa screen. Like example, mag-GG kasi client ng 1,000 and then ang lalagay doon kung ano ang naiwang wallet. So example, 580 na lang. So at least bago maghulog yung customer natin sa machine is aware siya na 580 na lang. So 580 na lang yung i-load niya or i-GG cash niya, ganun. Okay, so fix the frozen back button. And actually nangyari din to sa akin, nagpo-frozen talaga siya. Akala ko sa tablet ko, pero imposible kasi malaki naman or high specs naman yung ating tablet, no? Instant cash in via Palawan, same pa rin dati. A new version mode of our app is post mode for manual payment. So ganun pa rin naman siya, may post. Actually yung post is manual payment naman talaga siya. So okay, let's go to apps ng ating system. So, the Foxtech pa rin. So, ito yung mga na-change niya, no? Meron payment module. So, sa payment module, either i-Bluetooth siya, USB, serial, or built-in bill acceptor pa rin siya. So, click natin dyan, built-in acceptor. Built-in bill acceptor kasi yun naman talaga yung gamit natin, no? Then, select lang. Tapos, device serial, device. So, may serial yan, So, ang is tap pa rin siya. Kasi yun yung brand natin na usually. So, sa dito, I'm not sure paano kung ano yung ilalagay dito. Kasi, bagong release. So, hindi ko pa alam yung mga update. So, temporary lang natin siya ilagay sa, yan, parang mas maganda yung mataas. And then, no found device. So, kasi wala pang naka-insert sa atin. Tapos, i-click okay lang pag may found device na, no? Kasi lalabas serial ng inyong tap, Okay, so, yan. Kailangan natin i-connect yan. And then, yung printer naman is, yan. Pwede na siya Bluetooth, USB o TTL. Pero over CB to. So, kailangan tong, kumbaga, meron sa CV ng ating system ni The Fox. Kung may release sila. Pero I'm sure baka meron nga padating. Kasi may ganito na sila over the CB na So yun ang maganda para hindi na magdi-disconnect din sa Bluetooth in case lang. So hindi na need ng battery ng printer. So dito naman is we have connection settings, same pa rin naman siya. And then Wi-Fi integration. So pag sinasabi nating Wi-Fi, ito ay parang i-connect natin sa Piso Wi-Fi, which is yan nga, may Wi-Fi SSD will be shown here in the connection slideshow, steps slideshow. So lalabas dun sa mga ads. or dito sa ating group ng ating The Facts. So, okay lang, cancel lang natin kasi hindi pa tayo dyan. So, pagka pupunta naman tayo sa settings, di ba, halimbawa magko-close apps tayo. So, ito, automatic na direct na tayo. So, ito, Android settings. So, papupunta tayo sa network internet, dito sa Bluetooth, ayan. So, kung time kailangan is change, dun lang punta sa Android, no? So, yun lang yung mga nabago. As of now, ganun pa rin naman. Yung itsura niya, ganun din naman. Okay. So, yun yung sabi. Ang maganda din pala is na nakikita nyo yung time and date. Kahit nasa labas kayo ng kiosk. So, makikita nyo din kung anong connection or shortcode kayo. And then, andito din po yung wifi. And then, SIM connection or SIM signal. Ayan. Data yung naka-X, no? So, hindi na siya pwedeng i-data pa. So, anyway, ano nga ba na bago? May ito. Warning siya or data privacy consent. So, ayan. At least nalalaman din ng client natin, no? Kung ano yung mga dapat gawin. So, okay. Proceed natin. Ang sinasabi is may mga nag-addition, no? 21 na example sa ano nga ba? 21 daw na services. So, dito tayo sa GCash. So, ayan. May pala OnePay. And then more. Ganun pa rin po siya dito. Wala namang nabago. Tok wallet. Yan. Maxim. Ganun pa rin siya. So, ano ba? Siguro possible na sa bills payment yung mga nadagdag. Hindi ko lang maisa-isa kasi hindi naman ako familiar lahat nung meron sa electricity tsaka sa water, no? Siguro as of now yung mapapakita ko lang kung anong yung mga lumalabas dito. Siguro mga common na din yung dati lang. Pero siguro may mga naging additional naman din na po. So, check na lang natin, no? Para makita ng mga yung nag-i-inquire dati na wala dito sa atin. Baka nandito na. Sige. Ayan, meron Bico, Davao Light, Subic Energy Zone, Benguet, Ilico, Iloilo 1, Philco 1, Cotabato Lights, Presco, Batilik. Yan, may Batilik sa Batangas to, no? Angeles Electric Company. Ayan, Nueva Ecija, Philco 2. Meron na. Inic, Ilocos North Electric Co-op. Philco 3, Pampanga din to. So, Plico, First Laguna Electric. Nueva Ecija, the second pa rin na electric co-op nila. And then, Pinelco, Peninsula Electric Co-op, Sibico or Sibo, Surico, Sursogon, Sipalco or Cagayan Electric Light and Power. Okay. So ito, I'm sure si Sipalco is Cagayan Valley ata ito eh. Kasi yung isa sa dati na meron din kasi dito sa Cagayan, iba din yung logo niya. So I'm not sure lang, no? Siguro malalaman nyo naman din yan eh kasi kayo yung may alam sa mga electric nyo. So, Sursico, Surigao del Sur. Samico, Zamboanga, Olongapo Electric Distribution Company. Sadorico or Davao del Sur Electric Co-op. Samico is Zambales Electric Co-op. Isico, Ilocos Sur. Okay? So, Lima Energies, Inner Zone, Panelco, Pangasinan, Sahelco or San Jose City, Negros Occidental Electric Cooperative. So, Nosico, Panelco 3, Pangasinan 3, Quezelco, Quezon, Casorico, Camarines Sur, Iselco, Zazelco, Quezelco, Quezon 1, sorry, San Fernando Electric Co-op, Novelco or Nueva Vizcaya, Misamis Oriental, ayan, Moresco, Sibico, Panay Electric Company, Decorp, Dagupan Electric Co-op, Luelco, La Union Electric Co-op, Cagelco, Cagayan, ayan, Cagelco, I'm sure dito na yun sa Cagayan pa rin na Electric Co-op sa Cagayan, Davao, Cagayan. Parang sa Cagayan de Oro, I'm not sure, no? Siguro, alam niyo naman yung kasi may logo naman siya eh. So, malalaman niyo kung saang banda yan na Cagayan. Nico or Nueva Ecija 1, Sinfilco or Central Pangasinan, Iligan Lights, Kirilco or Quirino Electric, First B Power, Samselco, Zamboanga City, Cagelco, Cagayan 2. So, Tarelco or Tarlac Electric. Then, Tarlac Electric naman for the first kasi to eh. First Tarlac as in, ito naman is siguro main Tarlac to. Then, Lieco is Liti 5. Cotelco, Cotabato, Sorico 3, Camarines Sur, Kalinga, Apayao, Abra Electric, Nico Mactan, Solico or South Leyte, Durelco at Lieco, Don Orestes Romualdez Electric Cooperative, Agusan del Norte, Casorico 4 or Camarines Sur pa rin, Casorico 1, Camarines Sur 1, Cabanatuan or Silcor, Capiz Electric Cooperative, Buhico, Bohol, Cotabato Electric Cooperative, Sultan Kudarat also Kelco, Ilico 3, Iloilo, Noreco 2, Akelco Aklan Electric Cooperative, Lieco 4, Misamis Oriental, Guimaras Electric Cooperative, Socotico 1, Clark Electric Distributions, Milco Camiguin Electric, Aselco or Agusan del Sur, Sorico, Sorsogon, Moelci, Misamis Occidental 2, Lanao del Sur, Ipugao Electric, Lieco 2, Ilico 2, Iloilo, First Catanduanes Electric. So, balik tayo. Mukhang napapatagal ang ating ano. So, ayan, sana ba? Catanduanes tayo eh. Ayan, First Catanduanes, Oriental Mindoro, Palawan Electric Co-op, Sinico or Zamboanga del Norte, Samsorico is Zamboanga del Sur, Cebu 1 Electric Co-op, Batanes Electric Co-op, Central Negros Electric Co-op, Bohico or Bohol 1, Ilico Albay Electric Cooperative, Norrico Negros Oriental 1, Surigao del Sur Electric Cooperative, the second, Liti 3rd Electric Cooperative, Tablas Island Electric Cooperative, Camotes, ayan, may mga kamote pala. Sorry. Camotes Electric. So, Milvar Inner Zone, Province of Siquijor Electric Cooperative, Surigao del Norte Cooperative, Romblon Electric Cooperative. So, Surnico ito eh, Surnico. So, Northern Davao Electric Cooperative, Meralco. So, sana mag-work na si Meralco, ano? So, test ninyo yan mga ma'am sir. Test natin si Meralco, no? Kasi bagong update eh, baka nag-approve na. So, Davao del Norte, Socotico 2, Masbate, Tarlac, the second, Occidental Mindoro, Northern Negros Electric, Bohol Light Company, Negros Electric and Power Corporations, and More Electric and Power Corporation. So, yun lang po ang sa electric utility. So, dito naman tayo sa water utility. Okay, medyo nangangawit lang. So, dito tayo. Manila Water, Manilad, Frame Water, Santa Lucia Realty, Tabaco Water District, Metro Cebu Water, Santa Maria Water District, First Peak Resources, Floridel Water District, Laguna Water Corporation, BP Water Works, God Hands Water, Happy Wheel Management, Kalumpit Water, Tagum Water District, Mabalacat Water District, Boracay Water, Clark Water, Pili Water District, Cagayan de Oro Water, Laguna Water District, Manila Water Philippines, Angeles City Water District, Bulacan Water District, Bacolod City Water District, Obondo Water Company, Ilagan Water District, Dagupan City Water District, Subic Water Sewerage, Philinvest Water, Tagaytay City Water District, Balanga Water District, Manan Water District, Manan, sorry. Dinalupihan Water District, Bulacan Water, Calasiao Water, Aqua Centro, MPB, Teresa Water Works, Hermosa Water District, Metro Rojas Water District, Butuan Water District, Consolacion Water System, Helpmate Incorporated, Candelaria Water District, Teresa Water District, parang naulit sa Teresa. So, back natin. Bustos Water District, General Santos Water, Alaminos City Water, Bacolor Water District, Hias Water Source, Solano Water, Metro Cotabato Water, Digos Water, General Mariano Water, Bukawi Water District, South Luzon Water, Cabacan Water District, Balayan Water District, Bukakay Water District, Santa Rosa Water District, Metro Pacific Dumaguete, Ninaranda Water District, Calzones Water Works, Baliwag Water District, Calbayog Water, Tanay Water District, Metro Lipa Water, Basic Water Enterprise, Carcar Water District, Pandi Water District, San Francisco Water District, Infanta Quezon Water, Kasiguran Water District, Kabuya Water District, Carmona Water District, Cantilejos Water District, Lian Water District, Angat Water District, San Juan Water District, Indang Water District, Orion Water District, Mactan Rocks Industries, Buena Vista Water District, Lobo Water District, Mendez Water District, Calabanga Water District, Metro Kidapawan Water District, San Francisco Water District, Sultan Kudarat Water District, Pamana Water Binmalay, Metro Bigan Water District, Puerto Princesa Water District, Amedio Water District, Catay Land Incorp, Ginayangan Water District, Zamboanga City Water District, Concepcion Water District, Tiaong Water District, San Marcelino Water District, 8 Arc Management, Pamana Water District, Dagupan City, Caluwag Water District, Santa Lucia Water District, City of Coronadal Water District, Pamana Water Gimba, Pamana Water Corporation or Samibol, Tagkayawan Water District, Katbalugan Water District, Morsha Water District, Pamana Water Cabiao, Pamana Water Candaba, Pamana Water Masantol, Kamalig Water District, San Jose Water Works, Bulan Water District, San Felipe Water District, San Antonio Water District, Gumaca Water District, Bayambang Water District, Ligao City Water District, Pamana Water Aliaga, Pamana Water General Trenio, Pamana Water San Manuel, Pamana Water San Leonardo, Sinukuan Water System, Lopez Water District, Iba Water District, Rio Tuba Total Water, San Narciso Water District, Bansalan Water District, Catarman Water District, K4 Water Resource, Southern Utility Management, Alaminos Laguna Water District, Cantilan Water District, Masinloc Water District, Pulumulok Water District, Calapan Water Corps, Sagay Water District, Cebuano Water Incorp, Blue Hydro Pacific Incorp, Famana Water Corporation, Tansa Water District, Famana Water Corp, Candon Water District, Pamana Water Corporation. Parang naulit-ulit lang Ayun, dalawa nga. So, LGU Rizal Palawan or Rizal Waterworks Office. Calviga Water District, Licab Water District, Palayan City Water District, P-Point Rural Waterworks Sanitation Association Corp, Borland Water Multipurpose, MDS Waterworks or Water System, Milaor Water Corporation, MDS Water System Services, Partido Development Administration, Metropolitan Naga Water District, MDS Water Service System Service, para naulit-ulit siya. Okay, so sorry, naabutan tayo. So, Mangaldan Water District, Legazpi City Water District, Daraga Water District, Metro Pacific Iloilo Water, Boracay Tobi System Incorporation, Pamana Water La Paz, Bungabon Water District. Ayun, bumalik ulit tayo. So, ulit lang. Mukhang malayo-layo na So, dito na lang tayo sa last. So, Buena Vista Water District, Pinablanca Water District, Sablayan Water District, Taisan Water District, Las Nieves Water District, Taal Water District, Tracy Martires City Water District, Topi Water District, Dalagite Water District, Washer Water Supply, LGU Nara Palawan, Metro Banggid Water District, Tubig Katbalogan, Tandag City Water District, Magilian Water District, Guadita Incorp, Dorongan Water District, Hingoog City Water District, Bongabon Water District, Pamana Water Lapas, Boracay Tobi System. So, okay. Parang tapos na tayo. So, Metro Pacific Iloilo, Daraga Water District, Legazpi Water District. Okay, so tapos na tayo. At yan nga lahat, no? Ang ating water utility. So, ano pa ba ang mga nadagdag? So, yun nga, yung sinabi ko kanina is yung mag-pay ka ng like GCash, lalabas po dyan, like example 85225890, yan yung number ko in case na may mga katanungan kayo kung gusto nyo mag-order. So like 5,000, maglalabas dyan is, nakita nyo, lumabas yung amount, diba? Yung GCash natin lalabas, example 5,000 yung tawag nito, 5,000 yung hinulog ni client or ihuhulog pa lang niya or i-cash in. So lalabas sa enter, lalabas diyan kung wala na yung wallet na hindi na umabot sa 5,000, lalabas diyan 1,000 na lang yung naiwan na wallet. Okay? So yun, mag-change si client na ay 1,000 na lang pala, so 1,000 na lang. O di ba? Yung may mga pagpipilian ka, yun yung sinasabi ko din sa developer dati na mas maganda din yung may ganun kasi syempre paano example huhulaan ni client na ay baka 500 na lang, ay baka 1.5 na lang, o di ba? So hindi sila aware kung magkano yung naiiwan na wallet para at least may choices sila. Okay? So, yan yung maganda na bagong update din ngayon. And then, para mas easy na siya. Kung mag-i-exit tayo, ganun pa rin. Double tap power, long press volume. So, back lang natin. Walang nabago sa exit queues natin, no? Ganun pa rin siya. Double tap power, long press volume. Ayun. So, ang lumabas is same pa rin. Pero, ang maganda nito, example, na-delete nyo yung mga data ng credits or na-delete nyo yung hindi dapat i-delete. So, meron tayong export data or i-restore yung data. Okay. Pag gusto nyo ibalik, i-restore lang. Pag export naman, kung gusto nyo i-export, kung sa email ba yung, kung may online portal ba, o view locally, kung kailangan nyo i-check dito sa tablet. Pero pag online portal, dun lalabas yan sa, possible sa email or dadaan dun sa messenger ninyo, no? Or restore data, kung gusto nyo i-restore kung ano yung mga na-delete ninyo. So, yun nga, data from online portal. So, sa online portal. This will overwrite your current data with the latest exported. So, online pictures are not included. Okay. So, yun lang. yung mga na-change ngayon sa bagong update natin. Okay, so yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa panonood.